Hi everybody, this is Vitaly Borovik and today we finally have time to make this unboxing. I just got this package from Global InterGold online gold shop. As you know, for the last 5 years I have been working with this online gold shop. I have been investing in gold. So today we will open, you can see, we will open this package. You can see my name here. We will see what kind of gold is Global InterGold selling. Okay. So here we have one more envelope. Okay. And okay, nice. So this is one more envelope from Global InterGold, and here we have gold. We have a lot of gold. Okay, so let's see. The first one. Okay, here we have 10 grams Global InterGold branded gold bars. I guess this one is the same. You know, working with gold for 5 years, I just can weight it and I can say this is 10 grams also. Let's look for a big one. This is a small one for sure. Yeah, 5 grams. So in total I ordered about 120 grams. Okay, let's look for the big one. Here. Okay, here we have the big one. Yeah, 50 grams. This is from Heraeus, this one. Phew, finally. Okay, let's talk about gold. So here, for example, you can see 10 grams, 999.9 pure investment gold. Here you can see the number of the gold bar. Every gold bar has a unique number. You can see in the bar, and you can see the same number here in the package. All Global InterGold gold bars are LBMA certified, London Bullion Market Association. That means this gold can be traded, can be exchanged all over the world, and the price will be the same. You will get the maximum price for this gold. We also have the MCC, Dubai Multi-Commodity Center, and Nadir. Nadir is a refinery in Turkey, in Istanbul, and this refinery is one of the biggest refineries in the world. They are working with us and making gold for us. Okay friends, thank you for watching, and if you need more information about gold or about our online gold shop and also business opportunity, you can send a message to me, or you can ask the person who sent this video to you. Global InterGold is huge opportunity all over the world. You can start making money with us because gold is the real money.